Good day everyone, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to fix Roblox Studio not opening. So for example, if you're maybe searching something online through your browser, say you want to play this, and you open up your Roblox and it doesn't launch, or the studio doesn't launch, there's a way to fix this. So guys, you need to just navigate to a certain folder on your computer that has the Roblox files inside, and let me show you. Okay, so in order to fix this, guys, you just need to navigate to a certain folder on your computer that has the Roblox files inside of it. As you can see, I'm already here. I will show you how. And then we will just launch some files and reinstall something, and after that, this should work. So guys, you just need to navigate to your C drive, users, then it's going to be your username. Yours will be different. App data, local, Roblox, and then versions. And then choose the one that has the latest, basically dates modified, basically the one that was modified the latest, the newest version folder pretty much. Alright, so you're looking for this version folder. As you can see, there are two of them. You'll have two as well. So mine is the newer one for me is the one from October the 3rd, which is today. So open it up. And the first thing you want to do is run this Roblox player installer. Alright, so run this. Okay, and after that go back, and in here you need to press on this installer right here. So go back one folder where you have the versions folders and double click Roblox Studio installer as so, and it will reinstall, or in your case if you don't have it installed, it will install the studio. If you do but it's corrupt and doesn't launch, it will install it again. And as you can see, Studio now is launching. I can close the tutorial, and as you can see, everything is working. So that's pretty much the two steps of fixing your Roblox Studio not opening. Enjoy guys, hopefully this helped you out. If it did, press like on the video and subscribe.